Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a drop down list in Excel to enter your data more quickly and more accurately. So look at the screen now. There are employee names here and they are from various departments. So the departments names are given here. So now when you want to enter the relevant department against the employee name, you can do that by typing or else copy pasting. But without these methods, you can simply create a drop down list and enter your data. So here's how you can do that. First of all, you need to highlight this range and go to data section and select data validation here. Then click here this data validation option. Then you can see a dialog box will come here, and when it comes to this section allow, you need to select list here and then go to source and click this upward mark, and you need to select the relevant departments range and click this downward mark and click OK here. So now you can see there are options coming here. So if you think Miriam is from marketing department, you can click here, then automatically the marketing department will come against the name of Miriam. So make use of this trick. I'll meet you in another video. Bye. Thank you.